Hey guys, in this video, I want to quickly introduce you to Group Leads automatic approval feature. So the first thing you want to do is to open up Group Leads, and then you can go to the group you want to make use of automatic approval on. As you can see, all the groups are having this new icon auto approve settings. So let's say I want to use auto approval feature on this group lead support group. So what I'm going to do is to click on that button, and then you see auto approve settings for group lead support community. So in order to enable auto approval, what I just need to do is to toggle on this button. So but before I do that, I'm going to take a brief look into the meaning of all these settings. The first one is auto approve new members after every, you are going to put in, let's say you want to auto approve new members after every 15 minutes. What you are just going to do is to put in 15 minutes right here. So auto approve new member if all three questions are answered. So when you ask your question, you want to make sure your new member answers your questions. So you need to toggle on this button. And then for people that really need to add the emails to email autoresponder, you want to make sure that before someone is going to be automatically approved into your group, you want the person to drop the email so that group leads can take care of the email and add the email to your email marketing software. The next one is join Facebook at least. So you can specify whoever is going to be joining your group must have been on Facebook for a certain amount of years or a certain amount of months. So you can make use of that over here. So then has number of Facebook friend already in the group. Let's say you want to make sure someone that is going to be joining your group must have at least a friend within the group before it will be automatically approved into the group. Then let's say if your group is for people in a certain place, maybe a city or something, you can make use of this setting. You just input the name of the city, let's say New York, and then you save it. Then has a number of mutual friends with me. So let's say you only want to automatically approve new members who has mutual friends with you. The last one is has number of groups in common with me. Let's say you only want to approve someone that is in the same group with you in other groups. So you just make sure you do the settings. Let's say you can turn on or you can type it over here. But for me, for this, I'm going to just put a 0. And then what I'm going to do is because we won't be able to wait for up to 15 minutes before this is going to be approved, I'm going to make the settings to be just every 1 minute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. Okay, so it seems I have not turned it on, so I'm going to turn on automatic approval, and then I'm going to click on save. And once everything is saved, then the automatic approval group leads to start checking the group you have the automatic approval settings on. If there is anyone that is trying to join the group, and then it's going to mimic a natural way by which you approve new member, and it's going to approve your new member for you. So but for now there's no one that is trying to join this group, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is to close this group. So before I approve, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my group settings, and I'm going to open up the Google Sheet so that you see what's currently on the Google Sheet before we make use of the auto approval feature. So you can see there is nothing in this spreadsheet that is connected, and then this is the email marketing software that is connected with my group leads account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join this group from a new Facebook account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the settings like app. This is just to test it out. App. So I'm going to submit, and then we need to go back to the constant contact account and also check the Google Sheet if there is a new addition to the Google Sheet. So now, as you can see, Group Leads has opened up the Group Lead support community, and I know right now it's trying to approve the new request I just submitted from this place. And then let me just refresh this place and see if, as you can see, it has approved the new request. And what I'm going to do is to check the spreadsheet. As you can see, boom, the data I just submitted is right here inside the spreadsheet. And also, if I check here, you see there is no one that is trying to join the group. And then if I check my constant contact, so what I use is app@gmail.com. So we should be able to see the new email that is just added. As you can see, the name app@gmail.com. So this is exactly how to make use of Group Leads to automatically approve new members into your Facebook group, and also add their data to Google Sheets, and finally add the emails of the new members to your email marketing software based on your criteria. So just today I thought of adding more stuff to this, like, when this opens up, it's still open and it continues to check based on your criteria. So I thought maybe if we're able to add a settings that is going to be on each of the groups, like this support community, and then it's going to be over here, somewhere here. So you'll be able to toggle on a feature that will allows you to automatically close this tab immediately the auto approval has taken place. Okay, so I'm going to switch this off for now. So another thing we are going to do today is we are going to add another tab right here, so you'll be able to see the analytics of your auto approval, when last the auto approval has taken place with all your groups, and then also you'll be able to have information about when next auto approval is also going to take place. Thank you for watching.